Okay, let's see how to define your felling direction and how to aim with your chainsaw. First I will make a notch, first cutting and a second cutting. Let's see. In your chainsaw you have so-called aiming lines. Here in the top and here in the side. This example is from Husqvarna 550. And these lines are showing the felling direction. We will put the bar in the bottom of the notch, so the lines will show us the felling direction. So you can do the aiming from here above, or you can go lower and aim like a rifle. Should be pointing to the stick. So when you are aiming, you have to be sure the bar is in the bottom of the notch. You can aim from above, or you can aim like a rifle, more exact, a little bit lower. But these lines are showing the felling direction.